Ever feel like you're doing everything right and still no one notices? You're showing up, keeping your word, grinding every single day, even when it's hard. You're making small changes, cutting back on junk food, waking up earlier, being more intentional with your time. But it's like nothing's changing. No applause, no rewards, not even a, "Hey, I see you." Meanwhile, someone else posts a 30-second video and goes viral. Someone gets a six-pack in 6 weeks, lands a dream job, or accidentally becomes a millionaire by 26. You start wondering, what's the point? But here's what I want you to understand. It's not that your effort isn't working. It's that success, real, lasting success, moves in silence before it ever makes a sound. The daily effort you're putting in, that's the power move no one talks about, the part that actually matters. We live in a culture that's obsessed with big wins and fast results. We want the transformation without the boring parts. We want highlight reels, not practice tapes. But here's the reality. Nothing meaningful is built in a day. Real change, real success, it's built in tiny, often invisible steps, day after day after day. You don't get healthy from one salad. You don't become a great speaker after one presentation. You don't build a business, a body, a relationship, a purpose-driven life off a single burst of energy. It's the consistent, quiet effort that lays the foundation. Let's talk about something simple, like learning to play the guitar. Day 1, your fingers hurt. You sound like a dying cat. You doubt yourself instantly. But if you keep going, if you show up every single day, strumming, fumbling, repeating, one day you stop thinking. Your hands just know what to do. That's the magic of daily effort. It transforms who you are, almost without asking permission. And here's the coolest part. That transformation is internal long before it's visible. Your identity starts shifting way before the results show up. But let's be honest, it doesn't feel magical in the moment. Daily effort is quiet, unrewarded, sometimes even boring. And in the world we live in, that silence feels like failure. Why? Because we're addicted to instant feedback. We post a photo, instant likes. We text, we expect a reply in seconds. We're conditioned to believe that if something's working, we should see results now. So when we don't, we panic. We start thinking, maybe I'm not cut out for this, or maybe it's just not worth it. There's a story I'll never forget about a girl named Mia. She wanted to become a writer. Every morning before work, she wrote for 45 minutes. Every night, she edited. She wasn't trying to get famous, just get better. For 2 years, no one read her stuff. Rejections, ghosted emails, zero feedback. She almost quit. She told me, "I feel like I'm pouring my soul into a black hole." But she didn't stop. And one day, a small blog picked up one of her pieces. That post got shared, then another. Then an agent reached out. Now, she's a published author with 2 books and a podcast. Everyone calls her lucky. But they didn't see the 700 silent mornings she showed up when it felt like no one cared. That's what daily effort is. It's training in the dark, so you're ready when the spotlight shows up. And here's the truth that hits hardest. The effort isn't just shaping your results, it's shaping you. Every day you follow through on your word, even when it's uncomfortable, you're proving to yourself, I can trust me. That's what confidence is. Not pretending to be something you're not, but knowing that when it matters, you'll show up. You'll deliver, because you do it every day. Whether it's studying for 30 minutes, meditating, hitting the gym, writing 1 page, reaching out to 1 new person, those small acts of self-respect are building something deep. And one day, the results will show. People will say it came out of nowhere. They'll say it must have been talent or timing. But you'll know the truth. It came from the silence, the daily reps, the discipline when no one was watching. It came from the effort you made when it wasn't easy, exciting, or Instagrammable. And it's not even about grinding your soul into the dirt. This isn't hustle porn. It's about aligning your actions with your values, about not letting short-term emotion override long-term purpose. It's not about being perfect every day. It's about being consistent enough that even your off days still move you forward. So let me ask you something, and be real with yourself. What are you building silently right now? What are you doing consistently, even when there's no audience clapping? Maybe it's your health. Maybe it's your craft. Maybe it's rebuilding your mindset, 1 journal entry at a time. Whatever it is, Don't stop just because it's quiet. Don't quit 3 feet from gold, because the day you stop is the day the silence wins. And the day you keep going, that's when the silence starts working for you. The effort will compound. The world will notice. But more importantly, you'll have already become the person who didn't need the world to clap in order to do the work. You'll be unstoppable. If this message hit home, stick with me. Check out the next video, Why You're Closer Than You Think. It's the reminder you didn't know you needed today. Until then, keep showing up. Your future self is already proud of you.